Sanibonani izihlobo nabangane, sesifikile njalo isikhathi sethu sendoni yamanzi, i-channel yethu esikhuluma ngezinto ezixaka imphefumulo yethu masisaphila la emhlabeni. Yimi umsakazi wenu u-African Fairy okhuluma ngazo lezi ndaba. Angithi namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngokuthi why ngiyenza lokho engikwenzayo. Ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abazibuzayo uma bengena kule channel bezwa lento engikhuluma ngazo ziyadida, maybe ziyaxaka, especially maybe uma kungumuntu ongaziyo from before and then ungibona sengathi sengikhuluma ngezinye izinto and awuqonderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani, what has transpired with this girl. Kwenzakalani, not ukuthi ngiyalikolota futhi ukuthi ngilitshele nje, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ukuchaza kwami ukuthi why ngiyenza lento kungasiza omunye umuntu. Angithi sihlale sonke. Ngithemba beniphilile emakhaya, konke kuhamba kahle, and ngalesi sikhathi samukela labo abahamba ngendlela yothando, ukuthula nokukhanya. Angithi asifuni ubudlwangudlwangu, asifuni isiphithiphithi, asifuni izinto ezidunga ukuthula lapha ekhaya. Angithi kunjalo, siqhubekele phambili. So ngiqale ngokuthi isizathu sokuthi ngenze lento engiyenzayo, ukuma phambi kwakho manje mlaleli nawe mbukeli, ukuthi ungibone ungizwe ngikhuluma. Isizathu salokho ukuthi ngifeze lokho engilande ukuzokufeza emhlabeni. Yazi ukuthi sengikhulume ngakho lokho kakhulu, but hlala nami, stay with me, then sizofika maybe sinyathele ekhanda la wena okhona. Ngithi sonke lana emhlabeni siyazi ukuthi asizelanga ukuzokwenza into eyodwa. Angithi siyazi lokho. Yikho kunabodokotela, kunabo-teacher, kunabo-pilot. Ngaze sebezoba baningi o-doctor, abo-teacher. Labo futhi bantu ngaze bebaningi banendlela zabo ezihlukile abenza ngakhona izinto. Even bengo-doctor bonke bahlukile indlela abadila ngakhona. Angithi so nami nginyathela eyami indima uma ngilana ngaphambi kwenu. Angithi and why ngiyenza lento, why ngiyenza lento ukuthi ngifuna ukubona abantu bevuleka imiqondo ngempilo zabo, ukuthi bazi ukuthi impilo zabo zibheke kuphi, ziyapi. Angithi ngoba I think sengikhathele ngokubona abantu behamba benza into eyodwa besiyathola abantu benza into eyodwa sonke isikhathi befuna ukubona umzuzu ohlukile. You understand? Abantu benza into efanayo sonke isikhathi, i-pattern e1, kodwa na sonke isikhathi ufuna ukubona umzuzu ohlukile kulalokho okuhlangelile. So lokhu kubangelwa into eziningi. Angithi yikho mina ngikhona ngiyenza lento engiyenzayo, ukuthi ngikubonise wena mlaleli ukuthi inxaka ikuphi lapho, where are you missing it, ukuthi wena ufuna ukuthi by end of 2026 ubusune 2 million, kodwa by end of 2026 kune zero balance ku account yakho. Kanjani? Ngoba wena bekuyisifiso sakho ukuthi by end of 2026 kube sokune 2 million ku account yakho. So mina ngibonisa indlela zokwenza ezibangela ukuthi by end of 2026 ugcine une zero balance. Angithi ayingophili mamela, angisho ukuthi mina ngizokunika i2 million ku account yakho. Please underline that. Ngizoyiphinda ngesingisi. I'm not saying I'm going to give you 2 million. I'm saying I will show you the traits and the patterns that make you to be on zero balance by 2026 when you are expecting 2 million, because that was your New Year's resolution angithi. So mina, why I do what I do is because ngifuna ukubona abantu bebuya ekukhanyeni kuchaza ukuthi amaphupho enu efezeka just. So ngifuna ukuthi ngingakhuluma izinto ezingathi zideep ingane maybe alingeke alizwa ingane into le isekudeni nawe, ngoba into engizikhulumayo zisekhaya naye wonke umuntu ophilayo emhlabeni. The things that I'm talking about here are very issues that are personal. Like, we deal with these kind of issues every day. We all make New Year's resolutions. Come beginning of the year, we are all writing our New Year's resolutions down. We are expecting that something is going to give by the end of the year. Is it? So, stay with me, Yangit. So, masingabantu ne sizalwa ningizwe kahle ne sizalwa sonke sisebunyameni angithi. When masibuya emhlabeni sibuya sisebunyameni. That state yokuba yingane yokuba ngumntwana, we can call it darkness, because nijwayele ukuthini, nijwayele ukuthi umntwana akanasice, umntwana akazi lutho, umntwana, a child is innocent, a child doesn't know anything, because we are not saying that they don't know anything as if there is nothing in their brains, but we mean their level of innocence is just so pure that it is not counted as something material to say that you were harmed by a child or something like that. And also that's why you see what the Bible says, come as a child. Because a child, even if they have done something wrong, mabe wonile and wamshaya, when they come back to you, they don't come back with resentment in their hearts. Ukuthi ungishayile wena, angisakhulumi nawe. A child is very forgiving, you understand? So the state and the condition of a child is very pure to the extent yokuthi compare nokuthi abazi lutho. They know nothing kahle kahle. That's why they are so innocent. That's why abantu bethi umntwana uyakhona ukubamba let's say scariest animal, maybe abamba inyoka, uzothola ingane iphethe inyoka iyayidlalisa and ingane ayilunywa yileyo nyoka, ngoba it's the purity of the heart angithi. So ngifuna ukuthi li understand lana ukuthi when I start talking about ukuthi we are all born from darkness, I'm not talking about ukuthi darkness is ugly, because we have just said that state yomntwana azalwa ekiyo, that's darkness, because they don't know. So darkness means you do not know, ne? So we are all born in darkness. And then also I want you to stay with me to those that follow the Bible, ne? That the Bible also talks about that in the beginning there was darkness. There was nothing, right? There was darkness. And God said, let there be light, ne? So you understand the point of the beginning, that in the beginning there's always some form of darkness happening. And then light comes forth, right? So before knowledge, there comes a time where there's darkness, a part called darkness, because you don't know anything before you come to the light, the knowledge of light. Knowledge is power, but I don't think that's the one that I was looking for, but it's fine. All right. And then also that part of not knowing, that's the part that the Bible also refers to. Makutwa, we are all born from sin, ne? Because I know ukuthi kunabantu abaningi, spiritualists or people who believe in maybe ancestors, but I'm not sure of this, or people that believe in the manipulation of energy. Abantu ababelieve ukuthi umoya uhamba kanjani. Kunabanye abangabelieve ukuthi kathi lesi sono okukhulunywa ngaso kuthiwa sizelwe sinaso yisiphi. So that's the point of darkness. So angifuna ukuthi nitatazele libone ngathi vele umdali wami mina vele ngazala ngingumoni mina ngingumoni. Ngifuna ukuthi understand uma ukhuluma ngokuba ngumoni ukuthi ukhuluma ngani, angithi. And then nami mangithi we are born in the darkness, and which is lack of knowledge, la ingane naye ekhona eyabe ikhona ngenkathi ma izalwa, angithi. And then I want to also point my other referral point of ukuthi iBhayibheli malithi foolishness is bound in the heart of a child, ne? So that same child, now this verse is now clarifying what that darkness is, what that unknowingness is, ne? Then hamba nami, ne, singalahlekelani. So ma ingane ikhula, ne, there is, angithi iBhayibheli lithi, then the rod of correction shall drive it away, ne. Ingane izalwa inobuwula phakathi kwayo, kodwa uswazi you know, angithi angazi ukuthi yini in other languages, lokho kuyayenza ingane ingene endleleni, angithi. Ukuyishaya ingane kuyenza ingane ikhiphe lobulula, then ingene endleleni. So manje ngifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi what is the process of coming out of that darkness, foolishness, ne? Ngoba sonke we come from it, we are all from the darkness, ne? Akukho umuntu okuthiwa lwana unjani njani, lwana vele ulezenzo ezinjani, nawe bewulapho sometime before, even if ubone ngathi uzalwe wena vele uyingilosi ungawoni. There is a time, this is for the grown-ups engukhuluma manje, there is a time when you were here on earth and you didn't know what you now think you know, ne? So don't look at another person who's struggling with something and then you think that when you're better because you don't function the way that other person functions. No. So we all come from a place that needs grace or that needs patience, ne? So let's say, you know, if you've watched my channel, mangiqala le channel ngike ngakhuluma ngento ezithi ngama 7 deadly sins, ne? So this is now the darkness being defined, ne? They are now calling it the 7 deadly sins. This darkness that we are occupied, there was darkness, the foolishness that is bound in the heart of a child, the sin that we are born with is now having a name called the 7 deadly sins by other people, angithi bantu sebekunikeza amagama, angithi. So we are all struggling with these things. There is no one who's special. Akula muntu ongalwi nayo le mizwa. The only thing that will determine ukuthi wena ugcina unjani ekugcineni of your life about lezi zinto obudila ngazo, these 7 deadly sins, you can Google them ma ufuna uzazi uzigoogle, but ngizozama ukumenshina lezi ezizobuya emqondweni nami, ngifuna ukuzibheka before ngiqala. I missed my homework, ngiyaxolisa. Kodwa ke uma uphila empilweni, angithi impilo iyakulola ngendlela eziningi ezi-different from wonke umuntu ophilayo emhlabeni. Nami nginendlela engakhula ngayo, engigudlane ngayo ngalezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo, lama 7 deadly sins. I wish I could really remember them, all of them. It's my eating born, angithi. There is greed, angithi. There is anger, angithi. There is jealousy, angithi. There is gluttony, angithi. There is sexual lust. There is envy. yeah, you see, I'm not really, I'll check them out again, ngizibheke kahle, then ngizobuya kahle sengikhuluma kabanzi ngazo. Manje ngifuna ukwenza i-introduction to lezi zinto lezi, then sikhuluma ukuthi sisiza kanjani ngazo, ngoba niyazibona ukuthi vele ngiyizinto ezisindayo ukwata kungaka abantu, ukuthi vele umuntu uhlala akwatile or akwazi nokuthi ukwateleni, or sesikhulume ngazo kakhulu lezi zinto, angithi. Okay, so I had to take care of something. So indlela sonke sikhulise ngazo since sizingane zihlukile, angithi, kodwa zilola isihloko sendaba esisodwa. Umuntu oyedwa uzodila nge-anger ngendlela yakhe ehlukene nalowo omunye umuntu adila ngakhona nge-anger. Sonke silemlando wokuthi sidile nge-anger, sonke lana emhlabeni silanda ukuthi sizodlala umareyishana nokuthi uyi-understanda kanjani i-anger. Sonke sizongqikilana le-anger from sizalwa sizingane. Ukuthi kuwina ubani lana kuzolamula, not ukulamula man, kuzochaza ukuthi lo muntu lo ukhule kanjani. Yikho okubonisa ukuthi ulwe kanjani naleyo anger. So sonke sizolwa nalento abathi yi-anger, sonke. Niyakhumbula ukuthi kule video engengayenza I spoke about ukuthi don't take anything personal, angithi. Just look at impilo as two ways. It's either it's a gift from God. If He's giving you pleasure, joy, into yokujabulisayo, thank you God, this is a gift from God. Number two, this is a challenge that I have to overcome so that I can be the person that I was meant to become. Those are the only two perspectives that you have to have ngempilo. Uma ufuna ukuphila impilo mentally strong and not just defeated by anything nje empilweni, and ube above inkinga nje, ungaphongu yazini, angithi. So bengithini, okay, so sonke sizosuka kule darkness yena le, so everyone. So ungabona umuntu eza kuwe ene anger wena onganayo, don't take it personally. Umuntu lona akakakhona ukuxazulula leyana into leyana, sonke silanda ukuzoyixazulula la emhlabeni, asihambi sonke nge-same pace. Do you understand? We don't heal in the same pace. Our healing happens at different intervals, if I'm making this clear, angithi. So don't think just because your anger is not as bad as the other person's anger, then you are the holy one or there's something special about you. No, they are at the level which they are at their own pace. It's nothing to do with you. Hlukana nakho, focus on your own lane. Okwakho ukuthi wena, what do you still have to deal with? Ngoba so these 7 deadly sins, they will not stop testing us as we are going through life. Thus the journey of life is about conquering those things. So the time where you can find freedom is when you are no longer ruled by these things. They no longer have effect. Ama emotions are not driven by these things. Do you understand? So how you were raised as a child, from the time that you were born, right? From the time that you were born, you were being taught how to deal with these 7 deadly sins. From the time that you are born up to 7 years, you are copying people around you dealing with these 7 deadly sins, and when your mind is absorbing ukuthi okay, so lo muntu engafike engidelele chitha utshwala bami, which means vele spagera must come, because you saw that umuntu echitha utshwala bami vele uyadelela wena. Or omunye umuntu ufundiswe ubone uma omunye umuntu echitha utshwala, Jo yazi ungawari ngabo bra, ungawari ngabo, hayi vele ngizothenga obunye. Those are 2 different scenarios raised by the same situation. Omunye uchithela utshwala wafaka isibhakera, omunye uchithela utshwala watshela omunye ukuthi no, don't stress about it, ngizothenga eyinye. Angithi? So how you were raised, the experiences atuzibona wena nokuthi wena bawufundiswa ini as you are growing up, that's how you will deal nalezi ama 7 deadly sins lawo. Angithi? Angazi ukuthi sizothi yini izilingo ezibulalayo ungadlaleli lapho ngumlilo. Okay, so then mawuso ufike over 7 years, now my alarm was ringing. Mawuso over 7 years, you start to implement what you were learning when you were born. So now you start acting. You were young, you were being taught, you were being molded, this is how you deal. Even the situations that you didn't think that they were molding you, ukuthi wena maybe lokhu ukuthi umuntu uyashaya maye echitha utshwala wakho, maybe akubonanga nakini lokho, uthe udlule eshabhini wabona umuntu, it was something that it taught you, but you were not seeing. So everything, your environment shapes all these things, where you are raised, who's raising you, what's happening, all these things, they shape how you relate na lobu bunyama lobu, this darkness. So no one is perfect, again, no one is perfect, but our mandate as human beings, what God expects from us if you believe in God, or what the universe expects from us if you believe in the universe, or what the ancestors expect from us if you believe in the ancestors, is that sinqobe lezi zinto lezi. Ngoba why kumele sizinqobe lezi zinto? Ngoba zisigcina ngaphansi, ziyasinyathezela ukuthi noma abakini befuna ukukubusisa abakhona ukukufinyelela, ngoba umgoqo lowo we darkness le, if wena ianger yakho isakurula, if ijealousy isakurula, if ilust isakurula, abakhona ukukufinyelela. Yazi why? Because i-vibrational frequency, angazi if ungazi ukuthi ngithini, uzohamba uye research ukuthi uma nto bekakhuluma nge-vibrational frequency ubethini. But i-vibrational frequency yomoya nale ye-darkness, le dark side is not bad, but it's something that you must come and transcend. As a human being, you must come and conquer. Then when you are now above these things, not that you are or you are now amazing, but that's the point where your ancestors, where God, where the universe can now meet you. That's the point of blessing. So if we are not conquering these darknesses, regardless ukuthi wena ukhuliswe ngabantu abangakufundisanga kahle, bebekuthi maybe uthi uma ungakhalela ithoyi instead sokuthi uma wakho ethi akusiyakho leya toy, asoyakho, uma wakho bekathi animnike mani, animnike lento ayikhalelayo, you were allowed to have greed and to think that you deserve everything, and that's not the right way of relating with this darkness, because it puts you even deeper into it. It takes you deeper into the darkness, just being given anything when you want, because now masukhula ubone ngani yonke into emhlabeni must come to you. You think the world owes you something, when now people are not giving you that thing that you think you should have, then you start having jealousy and usuzoqala ukwenza into ezingekho right because you think someone owes you, because someone when you were young didn't teach you right. But now that's not an excuse that you were not taught right when you were young. It's now your responsibility wena njengomuntu omdala sonengqondo awuseyongane leyana ebebathi nimnikeni lokho akukhalelayo akuseyo leyo ngane wena sokhulile manje. So you now must act like an adult and behave like an adult. Angithi yikho le Bible lithi once I was young and I acted as a child, but now I am grown and I now act like a man. There must be a transition as a human being as you are living. You can't be an adult in the body of an adult but to behave njenge 4-year-old. It's said ukuthi vele abanye bethu singabantu abadala ingane eziphakathi kwemzimba yabantu abadala, but that does not, it's not an excuse ukuthi hlala unjalo. Ziphe ingqobe yokuthi you want to grow, you want to be better. Check yourself. You consider ngithi confront yourself. I know ukuthi no one wants to confront themselves. No one. Now I didn't want to confront myself. Even namanje zikhona izinto engizenzayo where I have to say I have to confront myself. Ngiyafeel ukuthi I don't want to confront myself. I want them to be the ones that are wrong. I don't want to be wrong. No one likes to be wrong. Sonke sifuna ukuhlala se right. But ukukhula, maturity means you have to admit that you are not always right. First, that's the first step ukuthi ukhule. Then you can now accept ukufunda kwempilo, umpilo sikho, even ungumuntu omdala. So umdala kumele understand ukuthi just because ungumuntu omdala kusho ukuthi you are always right. Zikhona izinto ongazitholanga kahle nawe ma ukhula okumele uzilungise ngaze sumuntu omdala. Linga abuse ingane in the name of ngoba ngingumuntu omdala. Asisekho kuleso sikhathi. Wonke umuntu manje sokumele azihlole, akhiphe lokho okungaphakathi kwakhe okumvikela ukuthi abe ngumuntu ongcono. Number 1. Number 2, okumvalela ukuthi aconnect nabantu bakibo bekusize kulezi zinto ohamba kiso. Bayakhala nabo bakubhekile uma uvelelwa. Angithi I told you the other kuleya video ukuthi ukuthi impilo every day izokunikeza ama challenges, then uzo decide wena ukuthi how do you handle this challenge. Let's say now umuntu sekachitha utshwala bakho, so there ama ancestors akho ayathandaza ukuthi Nkosi yami angavukulaka Nkosi yami angavukulaka, ngoba that laga is the blocking thing between you nabo. I'm not saying it's the only thing. There might be many other things. Maybe now untombazana sekafake cleavage outside, sekafake ama tongues outside, ufake umlenze, uyabuya la e-office lakho avele afike abhale u4, avule imlenze ibe ngaphandle. Wena la uyazi ukuthi hey Nkosi yami ilast angidila udilwe wena ukuthi uma umuntu wesifazana eveleza enza kanjalo kusho hayi uyayifuna lo uyayifuna. Abakini bathi Nkosi yami angaweli lapho angaweli, bayakuthandazela ukuthi wena mawuqeda lapha maybe say uwele wayenza lokho wamshaya lo muntu uwawela kulokho abebekuthandazela ukuba ungaweli khona, so uwele wena. Kusho still abakhona ukufinyelela kusanento evalile la until the day wena ukhona ukuzinqoba lezi zinto, this darkness, these sins, this foolishness, this shadow aspect. It's a shadow element. Sonke sinayo imizwa kodwa udila kanjani nayo leyo mizwa ukuze uyibonise uyiveze ngendlela yomuntu omdala. Maturity, growth. Mangithi mdala ngisho iminyaka, ngisho the level of the functionality of your brain. Angithi anginishawuti ne. I hope into lezi engizikhulumayo azibuye ingathi zinhlamba kini ngoba ngifuna kube ngamazwi aphilisayo ngathi yi-medicine. Kungaba ingathi yi-spirit, mara ukhumbule ukuba i-spirit siyashesha ukusipholisa isilonda, angithi? Ngizoyiphetha lana le ndaba. I think sengikhave zonke lezi zinto bengifuna ukuzisho. So inqobe kuwe, whether ngingane or kusiphi ilevel yempilo yakho, funa ukungqikilana nazo lezi zinto lezi, uhambe uyobheka ukuthi yini lezi zinto lezi umuntu akhuluma ngazo, u-African Fairy akhuluma ngazo, uzibheke kakahle ukuthi wena ukuphi ngazo. Uma isimo siziveza, ngoba isimo, ngicela ukuthi nibe kwazi ukuthi isimo asompilo. Umuntu ofike wakhahlela utshwala bakho asompilo. That's just a situation. It's just it wants to test you. Who are you? All you have to do is to reveal who you are. So ma uzoreveala ukuthi wena usabuswa yi-greed, bazokubusisa kanjani abakini ngoba bayakubona ukuthi bakithi umuntu wakithi usasene situation vele ngathi masingambusisa nje vele singadala esinye isilwane. So bayahlola inhliziyo your ancestors abadala bakini ukuthi uyayideserve yini lento le oyikhalelayo. Bayasiza isikhala sakho kodwa uyahlolwa njengomuntu ukuba lento le oyikhalelayo uyayideserve yini. Now even the universe mirrors back what you are if you speak the universal language. If you believe in the universe, the universe, the energy, the universe mirrors what you are. So if you are greedy, it will show you greed. But if you are full of love and abundance, then you attract that. That's the universe. If you believe God, God will bless you. When God can trust inhliziyo yakho ukuthi you have the capacity to hold the blessing uNkulunkulu afuna ukukunikeza lona sona. Are we clear? The girl that comes and says things and disappears. So sengifike lana emaphethelweni esihloko sendaba sethu. Ngifuna ngiqala okay, nginendaba ezimnandi. Indaba ezimnandi ngizoyenza i-separate video ngikhuluma ngalezi ndaba ezimnandi ne. So nihlale nami. I am now launching my company, my first official company, and this company is to give back to the community. Ngalolu lwazi nami engibusiswe ngalo ukuba ngikhone ukusiza umuntu now on a more personal level. No longer ukuthi ulinde i-video eyi-1 yami ungazi nokuthi izoza nini, nokuthi ngizokhuluma ngani, ngizokhuluma ngesihloko sendaba ohamba kiso or ayisiso ohamba kiso. So manje it will be personal. So I'm going to open a consulting company where wonke umuntu ofuna ukukhuluma nami noma yini okuhlukumezayo empilweni yakho ohamba kiyo, uzokhona ukungibhalela i-email or if kuzoba ku-website yami, uzongena ku-website, uzothumela ama-details akho on my WhatsApp. Ma ngizobe ngirana nge-WhatsApp ngingakayi-create i-website yami, kunama-documents okumele uwasayine so that ngikhone ukukusiza ngihambe nawe empilweni, sixoxe ngempilo yakho, ungitshele ukuba uxakwa yini, then ngizokubonisa ngukhanyisele nawe lapho olahleka khona nami esengike ngalahleka khona ngoba angithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili, angithi. So i-company ngiyayilauncha namhlanje, kumele ngibe sengiyilaunchile, and maybe this is the official message to say the company is now open. Ma ufuna ukubooka, so the booking is per first come first serve, and the sessions are per availability. So if I'm telling you that the session is booked, it is booked. So you will have to be booked for another time. I'll have to look for another time where I can see you where now is convenient for you. So I'm very excited about this ukuthi ngidile ngendaba zethu sixoxe kabanzi, and it's gonna be more intimate. So lokho kuphuma kuwe ukuthi uyabhala ukuthi wena ufuna usizo nge-career yakho, career guidance, or is emotional balancing of your emotions, or relationship guidance. So I've got so much in store for you guys, and the venue is going to be fantastic. Everything is going to be beautiful. I'm so excited about this. I'm very excited, and it's the beginning of something new, and obviously the nerves are there. I am nervous, but it's okay. We are going to live through this, and something new is always, a bit so yeah, so guys, welcome. I'm also going to be running online sessions. So if you need me to help you, ufuna ngisize and ufuna sikhulume via WhatsApp, we can do that video call WhatsApp, or if you want for international clients, you can also do Zoom meeting or the Google meeting. So everything is ready, guys. I'm now just waiting for you, and then I'll create a slot for you. With my experience from dealing with people from the bank, working at the restaurant, my psychology degree, my financial information degree, like I have so much experience, my own life experiences that I've also gone through. I've been through hell and back, mentally, emotionally, financially. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. So the most amazing thing, Yuguti, if first session yako is free. So I'm not a con artist. So your first session mauzo buza ukuthi sizane kanjani, how can I help you, how can we guide each other through whatever session you want help on. The first session is free, and then thereafter ma ufuna ukucontinue ungibona sisizana, then you can start abiding to the pricing guide. So all this is gonna come on the launch the launch document launch video. There's gonna be a launch something which is going to have all the details. So this is the season of beginning new things. I'm looking forward to spending time with you guys and hearing different experiences, different cultures, different mindsets. I want to be blown away by you guys, but not literally though. I love you. If you're not subscribed, you're already late, because indoni yamanzi ihlala iya phambili sonke isikhathi. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Why comment? Why ningangitshela ukuthi nicabangani ngale channel? Nibone ngathi ngikhuluma umbhedo, or nibone ngathi ngikhuluma iqiniso, nibone ngathi what do you think? What's your opinion? I'm not afraid of your opinion, guys. My mindset is very open to but in criticism. So whatever you feel, comment. Let's get busy. Angithi love and light. And we find light after we've gone through our darkness. Sengivalile, but I still want to say this. You have to go through our darkness. This is the issue that I was talking about. These 7 deadly sins, this foolishness, this shadow, dark side. That's what we have to confront. To say, yes, I have anger, yes, I have jealousy, yes, I am greedy, yes, I have a hard time controlling lust. It's not bad. It's not a sin. It's sin yokuthi, oh, you are an outcast. We all have gone through that at different stages. There is no judgment about that. Please. Angithi